What safety measure is designed to prevent people from getting shocked if insulation in electrical devices fails? Earthing is a safety process where the metallic body of an electrical appliance is connected to the earth via a low-resistance wire. This ensures that in the event of an insulation failure, the fault current flows safely into the ground instead of through the user. What is the role of conductors, wires, in a simple electric circuit as described? Conductors, such as copper wires, provide a continuous physical path with low resistance for electrons to flow from the power source to the load. They are essential components that complete the circuit and allow for the transmission of electrical energy. What is an electric current analogous to in the analogy? Water, pipe, electric current, _______________________________________________________________________________________________________________ In this analogy, a wire serves as the physical conduit for electric current, just as a pipe serves as the conduit for water flow. The wire provides the path of least resistance for electrons to travel through a circuit. A pump is analogous to a battery or voltage source that provides the pressure to move the flow. A faucet is analogous to a switch or resistor that regulates or stops the flow of the current. A river is a natural body of water and does not fit the structural analogy of a man-made conduit like a pipe. What factor, in addition to the number of free electrons, determines how well a metal conducts electricity? Electrical conductivity in metals depends on the density of free electrons and the ease with which they can move through the lattice. If free electrons are frequently scattered by impurities or lattice vibrations, the resistance increases and conductivity decreases. What is the direction of the electric field? The direction of an electric field at any point is defined as the direction of the force that would be exerted on a small positive test charge placed at that point. By convention, field lines originate from positive charges and terminate at negative charges. Electric fields and magnetic forces are distinct phenomena, though they are related in electromagnetism. Conventional current flows in the direction of the electric field, but the field itself is defined by force on a charge. While the field is the negative gradient of electric potential, the standard definition of its direction is based on the force on a positive charge. Which effect can be observed when a thin pin is pressed near the pointed tip of an aluminum foil connected to an electric cell? When a thin pin creates a small point of contact on the foil, the high electrical resistance at that specific point generates significant heat according to Joule's law. This heating effect is concentrated enough to melt or burn the aluminum foil at the tip of the pin. Which statement is true regarding conductors of electricity? Conductors are materials that possess free electrons or ions, allowing electric charges to flow through them with minimal resistance. Metals like copper and silver are excellent conductors because their atomic structure facilitates the easy passage of electricity. Insulators are the materials that resist the flow of charge, which is the opposite of what conductors do. Most conductors are metals, while nonmetals are generally insulators with the exception of graphite. Conductors allow charged bodies to move with ease, whereas semiconductors or insulators make movement difficult or impossible. What does electrical resistivity measure? Electrical resistivity is an intrinsic property of a material that quantifies how strongly it resists the flow of electric current. Unlike resistance, resistivity depends only on the material's nature and temperature, not on its physical dimensions. The flow rate of electrons is defined as electric current, which is measured in amperes. Electrical energy consumption refers to the total power used over a period of time, not the material's opposition. Potential difference, or voltage, is the electrical pressure that drives current rather than the property that opposes it. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.